Hello guys, I'm here with my son Elijah. We're here right now at the airport and we're gonna be opening up a new toy we just bought, a Camaro 50 by Hot Wheels. Alright, let's open it up. Open. 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 Whoa! Yay! That's what it looks like. The front side, top side, back side, left side, right side, and bottom side. Alright! That's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Till then, see you soon. Say bye.